In a tranquil village, a once vibrant river now languishes, burdened by pollution. Enter Intellect Aqua's team, engaging with the distressed villagers, understanding their plight. Engineers and locals unite, sketching plans for an effluent treatment plant to restore the river's vitality. Witness the birth of change as the ETP construction commences, showcasing innovative technology by Intellect Aqua. The ETP, now operational, purifies wastewater meticulously, ensuring only pristine water returns to the river. Joy erupts. Villagers celebrate the revived river, nature's bounty flourishing once more, smiles all around. Before and after views display the miraculous transformation brought by the ETP's impact. Empowering communities, restoring nature, Intellect Aqua's effluent treatment plant, a beacon of hope.